Big J's on the track. Hey, what's going on YouTube? This your boy Big J on the Big J's Affordable Lawn Care. Some of y'all may know me or not, but today I'm going to be mailing off Christmas cards. So how many of y'all mail off Christmas cards to your customers? And I want to say thank you all for liking and commenting and subscribing to my channel. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. And always, thank you for watching Big J's Affordable Lawn Care. All right now. Hey, what's going on, y'all? This your boy Big J on a Big J's Affordable Lawn Care. Today we're going to be doing a tune-up on the Husqvarna 128Ld. So this trimmer here, I've been having this for about 2.5 years, and believe me or not, I never ever did a tune-up on this machine here. And this is the attachment that I used. I used the trimmer plus attachment on this thing here, and I also used this one here. That's the pole saw there. And on that one, I never used that one, but I have used it before when I first got it. But other than that, this is a good trimmer. I recommend this right here to anybody. And what we're going to be doing here, we're going to be doing a tune-up. And what I'm going to be replacing, I'm going to be replacing the air filter here. I lost my air filter cover here, so I need to see if I can find that part somewhere. And also, I'm going to be doing a spark plug change here. And also, I'm going to remove this cover here. I'm going to remove this and clean all that gunk and stuff up. As you can see up off in there, you see that? I'm definitely going to get that cleaned out. And the tools that you're going to need for this, you're going to need Allen wrenches. This is a size 3 Allen wrenches, a spark plug gap, a spark plug wrench, and some type of grip so you can grip that boot off of that spark plug. Sometimes that spark plug boot can be hard to get off. And here, this is the part that I order. I'll put that link in the description where you can order all this from. So in here you get the air filter. You get the tube here for your filter, your fuel filters tube. You get some primer bulbs here. You get a spark plug, and you get 2 fuel filters here. So alright, y'all, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, first I'm going to remove this cover here. It's a screw here. It's an Allen screw here. 2 and 3. So I'm going to remove those. Alright, y'all, as you can see, look at all that gunk and debris and all type of things in there. As you can see here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be using this stuff here. It's a carbureted parts cleaner. You can use this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray all this off here to get all that stuff off and clean it up real good. and stay tuned. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, as you can see here, we finally get it all cleaned up here. As you can see, it's pretty clean again. And also, I took this right here apart. These 4 screws here, it's a screen up under there, so you have to keep that clean also. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the cover back on. Alright, y'all, we finally got that on there. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna replace this air filter here. All right, we finally got the air filter here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna order this air filter cover here. I lost it somewhere on one of my properties, so I'm definitely gonna have to get an air filter cover as soon as possible. All right, we got that taken care of. Now we're gonna be replacing the spark plug here. Okay, this is the old one here, and this is the new one. So this one is the old one. We're gonna check the gap here. Okay, as you can see here, okay, as you can see here, it's right there between the 30 and the 25. So now we're gonna check the new one and see where that one is. Okay, that's a little bit on the 40 here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze this top part here and try to bring it down to the 25 and 30. All right, y'all, as you can see here, it's right there on the 25 and 30. Don't know if y'all can see that or not. And now we're gonna check in that hole there to make sure everything is looking pretty good in there. Okay, now I'm gonna replace the spark plug here. All right, I'm gonna hold off on this spark plug boot. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna replace the fuel filter. The fuel filter is located in here. Alright, y'all, this is the fuel filter here, so I'm going to replace this here with a new one. Just pull it out like that, and replace it with the new one here. Okay, got that complete. We're gonna put the top back on here. Okay, that tube in there, that go to that fuel filter. This is the tube here. So I'm gonna hold on to this one. The one that I got on there is still pretty good. So I'm gonna hold on to this one. Alright, y'all, that's everything there. Let's check the primer bulb out here. Oh yeah, the primer bulb still look good. So this is the new one. I got two of them, so I'm gonna hold on to these two. And I'm gonna put the spark plug boot back on here. Alright, y'all, let's crank it up and see how it sounds. Alright, y'all, we're gonna prime it.
Big J's on the track.
Alright, y'all, if this video helped you out, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And always, thank you for watching Big J's Affordable Lawn Care. Alright.